Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by installing Pyttsx3 with pip using pip install Pyttsx3. This package runs offline and uses native platform engines for speech. On Windows it uses Shopify, on Mac OS it uses NS Speech Synthesizer, and on Linux it often uses eSpeak. Open your Python file and import Pyttsx3 with import Pyttsx3. Create an engine object using engine equals Pyttsx3. In it, initialize any variables you need before adjusting voice, rate, or volume properties for immediate testing and playback. List available voices with voices equals engine. Get property voices and inspect voices by looping through them. Use engine. Set property voices index, ID to select a voice by ID. Change speaking speed using engine. Set property rate 150 where 150 is a typical words per minute value. Control loudness with engine. Set property volume 0. 8 where 0 is maximum volume. After settings, call engine, say your text here to cue speech. Finally call engine, run. Remember platform differences. Windows uses Shopify, Mac OS uses NS Speech Synthesizer, and Linux often uses eSpeak. If your voices list comes back empty, install or enable the system TTS engine and reboot your machine. For deterministic playback, call engine. Run and wait after queuing speech with engine. Say, use engine, stop, to interrupt playback if necessary during runtime. To save to file, use engine. Save to file text. Output MP3 and then call engine. Run and wait to write the audio file to disk successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.